Are we back? Are we back? Get off. Okay, there. Let's start. Hello, everybody. Nobody's here yet. I hope we're not restricted right now. Hello to the two viewers. Welcome to the live. We're gonna start right away because this is a real live. Okay, wait. Let me just check. Hello. Are we echoing? Hello again. Anong reviewer? This is the PTS Mathematics reviewer. I have it on my Instagram, so you can check it out there. This is the one we're answering, the PTS Math reviewer. They also have science and language. Hello, We Love Lane. Welcome back. Thank you, Fane non-fan forever. Yes, we hit 100k, guys, and I didn't get to go live because I had to process process like 100k. That's so crazy. Hello, Nico. Do you think studying will also help for senior high? I guess so, but hindi ako nag-review masyado for the senior high reviewer. I think we are on page 33. If you're following along, review well. Hi, Nico. Good luck sa finals. We are on page 33, everybody. Are we ready? Page 33. Can we get back to 8k likes? Isang slide po dun sa highlight mo. The second circle sa highlight. Let's go here. Second circle. Oh, yung PTS reviewer, yung first story. Pindutin mo yung first story, tapos search mo PTS, lalabas na siya. You have one final exam. It's okay, basta pumasa, Nico. You don't have to get super high scores. Turuan paano makafocus. Guys, use the Pomodoro method. If you really wanna focus, Pomodoro is study focus ng 25 minutes, tas 5 minutes break. Like, if gusto mo mag-scroll ng 5 minutes, go. Tapos, 25 minutes, as in no phone, mag-aaral ka lang. Ganon yung gagawin mo. Or, 50 minutes, tas 10 minutes. So, you bring a timer with you. May mga apps din that help with that. Pomofocus.io or high school grades reveal. I love revealing my high school grades because, you know, my grades were high. Let's find my high school grades. I had it here last time. But it doesn't really matter, guys. Yung grades, I mean, it does matter. 40-60%. 40% yung high school grades. But hindi siya super, mas importante pa rin yung UPCAT, okay? So, even if you got low grades in high school, you can still bawi naman sa mismong UPCAT. That is my, wag kayo like ma-let down. Wait, I'm trying to look for my grades. Grade 11. Grade 11, here. Did it work? Ooh, let's see. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh no, I can't zoom in. This is my Oralcom 92. Bruh, that teacher was so mean. Like, I'm supposed to be so good in English. What else? 98 in UCSP, my favorite grade 11 subject. Thank you, St. Carlos. Wishing me good luck on what? The UPCAT? Pre-cal 90. Pre-cal 99 on the second quarter. That's crazy. My average in grade 11 was 96. In grade 12, it was 98. Pero, school, I come from a science high school. So, Mandaluyong Science High School. Here, Mandaluyong Science. But yeah, thank you. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. What are we doing today? Still math, guys. Sorry, I want to do something else, but you know, I still haven't learned. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to learn science. Like, I think I'm procrastinating learning science, okay? If you guys are procrastinating, paano pa ako? Kasi, iniisip ko, hindi ko naman siya kailangan aralin. Eh, yung math kasi, you know, it comes from the brain lang. Math is life. You're right, Kirby. It's like, math is so fun. We're just answering problems and just having fun. But science is like, ew, science. You know what I'm saying? Science is like, kasi yung science, more on memorization talaga siya. As in, hindi mo siya masasagot if hindi mo memorize. Thank you for the heart, maybe, Love Lane, and Airy for the rose. Tip for upcoming grade 11 students, it depends on your strand. That's what you should focus on. Pero, yung mga, GE subjects, important din. This Rubik's Cube is, my dad gave it to me. I think he bought it in, like, Toy Kingdom, like, many years ago. Yes, I'll update the PDF, Anger. I forgot to update it. Sorry. Thank you, I don't fuck with IDFW anymore. And Ange. Okay, let's start, everybody. We're starting because we're at 13K. So, this, do you remember variation? Does anyone remember variation? Just as a refresher, let's try to look back on the last question. Are we ready? Okay. So, variation, all that means is x varies directly as y, or x varies indirectly as y. So, either directly or indirectly. Ang ibig sabihin ng indirectly, so when you draw that, that would be x. Oops, sorry, my pen is not working. Let me just try. Yes, I'll upload the live today. I'll upload the live later at night. So, what that means is x varies. When you say varies, that's where you put the equal sign, okay? And then you always add a k. The k is the constant. Pagdating sa variation, lagi kasing may constant na kasama. Thank you for following, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Tapos, lalagay mo lang yung y, okay? So, minsan, dalawang letter or tatlong letter yung binabanggit. It all depends on the question. So, for example, in number 20 over here, which we answered last time, if x is equal to this, y is equal to this, and x varies directly with y. All this means is x, copy the x, varies, you make it into an equal sign. Tapos, directly means katapat lang. So, multiply lang siya sa k. Pag indirectly, divide siya sa k. Okay? So, indirectly will be over y. K over y. Okay? Pwede po ba siya panoorin after live? Yes, you can watch it on my YouTube. My YouTube is linked in my bio, everybody. Kita nyo ba? Okay, are we ready to answer the next question? I upload the lectures. Hello, Ree. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, I upload my lectures sa YouTube, as in yung recordings niya. Tapos yung huling recording pala dun, kulang. I don't know why hindi yung buong hour, pero I'll try to re-upload it. My course is Management Engineering. I'm from Ateneo, a full scholar. Okay, next question. Let's go to the next question. The square of x is jointly proportional to the cube of y. Okay, so what does that mean? And a multiplicative inverse of z. What does that mean? Oh my god. I actually don't know right now. Jointly proportional, ang ibig sabihin lang yan is there are two letters. There's y and then there's z. Two, yung, it varies directly to those two. Usually kasi isa lang, diba? So, x and y. Pero dito, may x, y, and z. So, the square of x, let's write that down. Again, the step 1 here is you have to make the formula. Do you guys remember the steps? Step 1, make the formula. Step 2, find k or find the missing variable. The step 3, apply it to the second sentence. Laging may two sentences pagdating sa variation. I'm gonna make a video for this. My course is Management Engineering, guys. It's in Ateneo. But if you're asking for what course I picked for UP, I picked Industrial Engineering. It's a really nice course. It's very flexible. Pero, like, binabash yung Industrial Engineering kasi madaming mayayaman din ngayon sa UP. Like, if you think about UPIE, yes. Management Engineering sa company namin, 6 digits. Saang company yan, Ed? Because, alam niyo ba, kasi kaya ako din pinili yung Management Engineering. Sabi nila, malaki daw yung sahod dun. So, okay. Mukha akong pera. Char. So, let's start by first making step 1. Step 1, guys, make the formula. Okay? Make the formula. Step 1, the square of x, so that's x squared, right? Square of x is x squared. Is jointly proportional, make that equal to the cube of y. So, remember to put k always. K is always there and lagi siyang nasa taas. Okay? Lagi siyang multiply. To the cube of y. What is the cube of y, guys? CBA ng UP, daming mayam. What's CBA? Y's cube. Okay, yes, Malvi, it's y cube. Tapos, and a multiplicative inverse of z. What does multiplicative inverse mean? Is that 1 over z? I think it's 1 over z. Kasi inverse means baligtad. So, multiply, baligtad daw ng multiply is divide. Is that correct? What grade is this? I think it's grade 9? Grade 9, diba? Yes, grade 9. Grade 9 yung variation, guys. Good luck sa upcut. Yes, good. Thank you, Bird CB, for the gift. And Dia. And IDFW. Grade 9. I hate math. Don't hate math, guys. We're here so that you will like math. When you learn math with me, it's gonna be fun. Okay. So, multiplicative inverse, I'm just gonna assume it's z. Okay? Under yung z, kasi inverse daw ng multiplication. So, sa ilalim yan. So, that is step 1. Step 1 is making the formula. Yes, this is variation. Step 2, guys, is looking for... Let's read the second sentence muna. Second sentence says, if y is 1 and z is 3, whenever x is 2... Okay, yun muna. Y is 1, z is 3, x is 2. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is, step 2 is find k. Okay? Step 2, find k. Step 2, find k. And paano natin mahanap si k? Ipapasok natin lahat ng given. So, sabi, when x is 2, so gawin natin 2 si x, that will be 2 squared is equal to k. Copy natin si k kasi hindi given yung value niya. Tapos, y is 1 and z is 3. Y is 1, so 1 cube and z is 3. Then, hanapin na natin si k. Hanggang dito ba na nag-aaral pa rin? Hello to the 1.3k viewers. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We do UpCat live reviews every kung kailan ko gusto. Char. You're not late. This is literally the first question we answered. Okay. So what do we do next, guys? Has anybody solved it already? All we have to do is solve for this. This is 2 squared is equal to 4 is equal to 1/3 k. Okay? 1/3 k kasi 1 cube is just 1. Okay? 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. This is grade 9, guys. Grade 9. Tama ba? Tapos, ang next natin gagawin is, dapat maiwan si k mag-isa para ma-solve natin yung value ng k. So, all we're gonna do is ilipat natin sa kabila yung 1/3 and magiging multiply siya. So, k is equal to 12. Good job, Clarence. K is equal to 12. And, who's that? K star z. Okay. So, 12 yung k natin ngayon. The next question is, you look at the next line na. So, first step, get the formula. Remember? Second step, find k. And third step, i-apply na natin sila dito sa last part ng problem. Okay? So, laging ganun yung steps pagdating na sa variation. As in, hindi yan nababago. So, what is the value of z? So, sabi dito, z na yung hinahanap if ito yung binigay. Okay? So, ngayon, ang next natin gagawin is ipapasok lang natin yung mga given na yan sa formula. So, x is equal to 3 daw. So, since x squared siya, diba? Gagawin 3 squared. And then, y is equal to 1/2. So, that's k. Yung k natin, gagawin na natin 12. Tapos, yung 1/2, i-cube siya. Okay? Bakit i-cube? Kasi, cube yung given dito, over here. Okay? So, ginawa lang natin yung formula. And then, ang hahanapin natin ay si z. Okay? Z is being found. Do we get it so far? Is it kind of hard? It's kind of complicated, but if you have, paano naging 12? Kasi, kinuha natin siya dito. We solved for it kanina. Based on the given sa second sentence, we found k by moving everything, multiplying, tapos transpose. Okay? Yes, we multiplied 3 and 4. So, yes, magiging times 2 siya. Ganun. Okay? Kaya k is equal to 12. Ngayon, hanapin na natin si Z, guys. May file ba na may solution? I'll upload this file, yung sinulatan ko, after the live. Okay? I upload it to TikTok. To Instagram. I thought subtraction, no. Subtraction pag plus yung ililipat. Okay. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Ang una natin gagawin, guys, paano mahanap si Z? Pag nasa ilalim siya or nasa denominator, ang una natin gagawin is ililipat siya sa kabila. Kasi, hindi mo siya ma-isolate if siya yung nasa ilalim, right? So, kailangan malipat siya sa taas. When you move something from a denominator on one side, pag nalipat siya sa kabila, magiging multiply siya. So, the thing about transposing is what we call passing the equal sign, right? Pag multiply dito magiging divide, ganun. So, mababaligtad lang siya, basically. Yes, we multiply it. So, what we're gonna do is we put Z over here. I-solve na natin to. This is 9, right? 3 squared is 9, tas ilipat natin si Z. Kasi nilipat natin dito yung Z. Tapos, 9Z is equal to 12 times 1/2 raised to 3. What is 1/2 raised to 3, everybody? 1/2 raised to 3. Para ma-solve to, ang gagawin mo lang is i-distribute mo yung cube. So, yung cube na yan, i-cube natin si 1, and then i-cube natin si 8. Yes, Golden Kyle and Elisa, the answer is, so 1 cube is just 1, and 2 cube is equal to 8. Okay? So, we just multiply 1 over 8 here. Tapos, ang lalabas dyan ay, pwede natin muna, ang gagawin mo natin is i-cancel natin. Z is equal to, cancel natin to, kasi both of them are divisible by 4, right? So, let's turn this into a 3, and turn this into a 2. 9Z is equal to 3/2, okay? And then, 9Z is equal to 3/2. Ang gagawin natin is ililipat ulit natin si 9, magiging times 9 over here, or times 9 sa ilalim, which is just a divide. Tapos, so that will be Z. Z is equal to 3 over 2 times 9. And then, you cancel this out. We're just going slowly, okay? Or we can do it again, yes. And that will give you 1 and 3. So, Z is equal to 1 over 6. Yes, 1 over 6. Hindi mag-iiba yung sign kasi multiply siya. So, the answer is letter A. Kinabahan ako dun, guys. Kala ko wala yung sagot. So, the answer is letter A. Did we get letter A? Walang mababagong sign kasi multiply siya. When you multiply or divide, okay, I'm gonna teach you guys about, hello to the 1.5k viewers. I think this is the most we've had in a while. So, welcome. Make sure to follow if you guys are new here. We teach math so that it's easy to absorb. Also, if you guys are, bakit nga po may K? Yung tawag ko dun is kabit, guys. The K is the kabit kasi lagi siya nakakabit, okay? When it comes to variation, hindi ma-explain bakit may K. Yung type na problem na yan, meron lang talaga siyang K. The letter K is just a constant, okay? It's called a constant kasi basta constantly nandun talaga siya. K for kabit is just the way we remember it. I knew it, usually sa left ang Rubik's Cube. Nabaligtad ba, guys? Like, I don't know how to flip it. Or baligtad ba yung camera ko? This is my, tama naman ata. What course? Okay na, guys. Did we understand? So, we got 1/6. Z is equal to 1/6. Amazing! Kala ko mali yung sagot natin. I was so scared. You missed your live? You should keep reviewing, guys, kahit di ako mag-live, ah. Hello to the 1.6k! This is our new peak. So, if you're new here, make sure to follow. The answer is letter A, everybody. Sino may angal? Char. Okay. Bakit yung baba lang po dinistribute yung 9? Okay. I'm gonna teach you guys about transposing. Kasi feel ko mahirap yung pag-explain ng mga teachers dito. Okay? So, when we transpose, for example, lagi kasi tayo magta-transpose in all of math. Okay? So, we have to learn this, how to do it simply. For example, let's do Z. 9Z is equal to 2/3. Joke lang. Paano ba ituturo to? Okay. Kunyari, gusto natin ilipat. Pag maglilipat tayo ng nasa ilalim, kasi yung ilalim is divide, right? So, this is basically 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 siya. Pag divide yung ililipat, ito kasi portal to, guys. Pag dumadaan ka sa portal ng equal sign, nababago yung anyo niya. Okay? So, pag divide siya, pag napunta siya dito, magiging positive. Magiging multiply. Divide turns into multiply. Okay? Multiply turns into divide. And then plus turns into minus. And minus turns into plus. Minus turns into plus. Let's give another example. So, yung plus x dito, 2/3 plus x, how will you move it to the other side? Magiging 9z minus x. Okay? Minus, doon na mababago yung sign niya. So, mababago yung sign pag plus siya, pero pag multiply or divide, hindi siya mababago. Valedictorian ka ba? Char. I was STEM valedictorian, so technically not fully because mas mabait mag-grade sa ABM. Char. Ganun lang ba? Sa amin lang ba yung ganun? Pero iba kasi yung teachers nila, so can't fully judge. But I was top 1 in STEM, but not overall because the ABM teachers were a lot nicer. Just kidding. But moving on. So, minus, nababago lang yung sign pag plus siya. Pag minus, nagiging plus. Gets ba natin yan? Same din. Sana nag-ABM na lang ako, guys. I'm not private school. I came from a science high school. Public school, guys. Look, I was showing my card kanina. You wanna see my card? Proof. This is my card. And to the people new here, make sure to follow if you guys are new here. Public school, DepEd Yarn. This is my senior high. This is the City of Mandaluyong Science High School. 93 lang yung average ko. What the frick? Pero, grade 11, it was 96 na ata. 96 yun eh. 93 ata yung junior high. Ayan. 96. Crazy. 2002 din ako. Slay sa'yo. You're so fruity. What does that mean? What does fruity mean? Okay, moving on. Hello, ano? My brother's back. Pag nag-UP ka, Burgess ka, hindi ako nag-UP, Bill. Hindi ako nag-UP. Kaya nga, di ako nag-UP eh. I already passed, but I didn't go there.
Same.
Okay, let's continue. Next question. Next question, everybody. Eureka salary changes directly as the company's gross income. Are you ready, Wanwan, to solve this?
Okay.
Guys, my brother's here. He's gonna solve with us.
Eureka's salary changes directly as the company's gross income. If the company has an income of 1 million pesos per month, Eureka receives 1,000 pesos.
Ooh.
How much was the company's income if Eureka received 15,000 pesos?
That's so easy, right? So, the easy way to do this, let's do it the hard way first. The hard way is, sabi, changes directly, so may variation. Actually, we don't need to do that.
Just times
All
15.
we have, yeah, just times 15 it. Kasi, since 1 million, let's just do ratio and proportion. 1 million is to 1,000, 1K. So, we're looking for X here, and this is 15K. Basically, you multiply it 15, and you multiply it 15 here. So, the answer is D, right?
Yep.
The answer
That
is
was so
letter
easy.
D.
Do you had to ask me if I was ready to answer it?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be hard because it was variation. Kahirap. Okay, next question. Oh my god, we're back to mean median mode, everybody.
Ano strand mo ate ng grade 11?
Paano po? Basically, we just multiplied it. My strand was STEM. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. You half or something? I'm a half?
You have or something?
That's so crazy thing. We're like 1/4 Chinese. Okay, let's continue. Mike was in charge of collecting contributions for the food bank. He received contributions of $40, $50, $40, $80, and $20 from 5 coworkers. Find the median value. What's my brother's name? His name is say your name. Preferred name. Your dead name.
My artist name or name. Do you think I should just give my
Face
artist name
reveal.
now?
Ang labo. Malabo yung live, guys. Wait. Okay, wait. So, what we're gonna do is first write down the given. Okay? Wait, everybody's distracting. Just to recap, mean means average. So you have to solve for that usually. Median is gitna or the gitna value. And mode is pinakamarami. Okay? Pinakamarami. So, we're given 40, 50, 40, 80, 20. So, what we're gonna do is write that down in order. Okay? Not in order of kung alin yung binanggit, but in order of ano tawag doon? Ascending order. What?
Please.
Why?
I'm gonna type something.
Okay, are we ready? So, as I mentioned, median is the gitna value. So, yung gitna value here is 40, and that's kind of it. So, you just have to arrange it, and then that's it. Letter D is the answer. Median is just the middle value. Okay, grade 10 lesson yan. So basic, right, guys? So basic. Can we get to 50K for the next one? We don't need to get the average, guys, kasi median ang tanong. Median is yung literal na gitna. Paano po if even ang numbers? If even ang numbers, you get the average of the two numbers. Thank you, Renz, for the gift and the ice cream cone, and Neo. Why?
It's just funny. It's just funny.
You're crazy. From the easiest. Yeah, this is one of the easiest, guys. Pag dalawa yung gitna, so for example, lagyan natin ng 100 here. So, 6 na sila. Yung gagawin dyan is you divide this by 2. So, that's 40 plus 50 is 90 divided by 2 is 45. So, that's the only time na magsasolve ka if even yung value. Is that quartiles? This is mean, median, and mode. Quartiles, I think, is grade 10. Is there a shortcut po pag masyadong marami yung given? Usually for questions like this, my shortcut is, for example, 20 yung binigay na numbers. Yung iisipin mo lang is you have to get the median, or 21. Let's do 21. So the middle value of 21 is the 11th, right? Kasi 10, tapos 1, tapos 10. So yung middle one is the 11th value. Ang gagawin mo, instead of arranging all 20 numbers, you just get the first 11. So, yes. Just get the first 11 numbers, and the 11th number is the median. I mean, it's still long, but it's shorter than arranging all the numbers. Yes. Next question. Are we ready for the next question, everybody?
Thank you for the... halata.
Yeah, but, like, it just be like that.
What did she say?
She's Englishera halata. It's okay if you're late. Sit down. Char. What's the mode? The mode is pinakamarami. So, for example, dito guys, alin yung mode dito? What is the mode here? Let's wait. Yes, the most repeated number or yung pinakamaraming occurrence. It's not, yes, 40 is the answer, not 80. Not biggest value, but yung pinakamarami. So, as you can see here, biggest frequency or eto, dalawa yung 40. So, 2 40s, eto 1 lang, 1 and 1. So, dahil dalawa yung 40, yun yung mode. Range is biggest minus smallest value. 230 average. Yes, I'm on YouTube, guys. YouTube is in my bio. Okay. Are we ready for the next question? The mean is the average. Mean is average, median is gitna, and mode is pinakamarami. Yes, it is recorded. Welcome to the live. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow, and we will be back someday soon. I'm not sure if like tomorrow, maybe Sunday. You can join I have an IG channel, guys. Join my IG channel. I'm allowed to make an IG channel now. It used to be 10K.
How many now?
I don't know, but it's allowed na. Because I thought you had to be 10K to make an IG channel. But so now I can make one. So yeah, I made one. You guys can join it or join my TikTok bulletin.
I'm gonna join.
TikTok bulletin.
I'm gonna join. Put me as admin.
You just post random stuff.
Just gonna post pictures of
year. I'm in my 4th year graduating.
What the viewers don't see.
Okay, next question, 1-1. Read the question.
Mr. Farquad, or where? Which one? 424?
This one.
In 3 compartments, there were 12 bundles, 13 bundles, and 8 bundles respectively. If the bundles were rearranged so that each compartment held the same number of bundles, how many bundles would be in each compartment?
Ooh.
So what you guys do here is you just add everything and then divide it by 2.
So you're looking for the average is what you're saying, 1-1.
Yeah.
But, let's try trial and error. So this is 12.
Mm-hmm.
This is 13. And this is 8.
Mm-hmm.
I think what I would do is turn them all into 8. I mean, usually, guys, you can find the average. Let's first find the average. So, 12 plus 13 plus 8 divided by 3 will give us 25 plus 8 is 33.
Oh, you're asking me?
Yes,
Oh,
33.
33.
So, 11. 11, right?
Mm-hmm.
11. But, I think I want to try. Let's try 12, 13, and 8. So, what we're gonna do is try the shortcut that we did last time. Let's try to make this 8. Because 8 is the smallest. So, this would give us 4. And this would give us 5. And then, oh, actually, I don't know if it's a shortcut. You minus 8 here. It will give you 4 and 5. Tapos, you add this, so that's 9. And then divide it by 3. No, that's longer. 9 divided by 3 is 3 plus 8 is 11. I just like imagine moving them. But it is longer. Do we understand? You can do both methods. Maybe average method is faster or eto kasi parang trial and error. Like imagine this were sticks and then you move one stick to the other side. So that's what the bundle is.
I feel like this one's easier for like big numbers.
Yeah, maybe. For like if it's just a small number, it's easy to average. Pero for example, the given is 352, 353, and 349. You can just do what we did. Okay? So that's the other method. Yes, yes. Are we ready? Very easy, very basic. When are we gonna get to the hard questions? Am I right? Ano po ulit ginawa? All we did is i-minus the smallest digit. Tapos, i-add yung dalawang digit na yon. And then divide by 3 and then plus it to the smallest digit. Yeah, it's not live on YouTube. I don't know how to do live at the same time. But I will try soon, one day. 100% pass rate. Yes, guys. Okay, try ko daw here, Wanan. Wait, I don't even know. If this is not an even or not divisible by 3, we can't do it. Let me just try. We need to know. Let's try it. We need to know first. It might not be divisible. It should come out as 9. 49 is 4. And this is 3. Okay, I'll try it, guys. We can make this 44. Okay, so what we're gonna do, instead of getting the average of these 3 numbers, how would you even get the average of that? You have to add all of this and then divide by 3 to get the average. But what we can do is, i-minus na lang natin, gamitin natin si 349 since yun yung biggest number. We minus it here and minus it here. That would give us 5 and this would give us 4. We add 5 and 4, that's equal to 9. And divide it by 3 kasi that's how many numbers we have. We have 1, 2, and 3. So, that will give us 3. And then add that 3 to 349, which will give you 352. So, 352 is the average or is the equal value. Is that easier or harder? Kasi pag bigger number, mahirap na mag-average.
OMG, this batch is like
That's
brain rot.
crazy.
Someone said, that's
What?
crazy. Someone said, we gotta lock in.
Oh no, they're just younger.
It's crazy.
We get it, everybody.
Last batch was
Yes.
like, I could still relate to last
You can
batch.
still relate to them. They're like 17.
That makes you feel so old.
You are old. Kakayan, it's easier pag sa biggest number, yes. For bigger numbers, it's easier. Okay, let's get to 68K. And then we'll move on to the next number. Why hindi tinuturo yung shortcuts? Kasi I feel like they want you to have a hard time in school, right? Madali po bang physics and bio? I think physics is hard.
The
Sa senior high daw.
physics in the upcat for me was not
In
super.
senior high daw. Wait.
Senior high physics is hard, but the one in the upcat isn't like as complicated.
What grade yung lesson na to? This is, I feel like grade 9 or 10, statistics.
Eight.
I'll post this tonight. Yes.
Grade 8
What
statistics.
what will you answer? Wait. Yes, we will have Trigo, but later on pa. So we're doing this page by page. Yes, we're doing it page by page. Okay? Are we moving on? 70 na. Okay, next question. Wanna read the question.
Mr. Farquand.
You're
Mr.
making-
Farquand recorded the number of sick days each employee had last year, as shown in the table. Should I read that?
Yes.
Earl
No,
had,
this here.
Which of the following represents the mean number of days employees were sick?
Okay, so the mean number of days is just the average. How do we get the average of this quickly? That's a good question. So, obviously, what we can do is add all of it up and then divide it by how many they are. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there are 9 people. I don't know if there's a shortcut to this, but let's try to get the average first. So, if you don't know the shortcut, just try to answer it as quickly as you can. Thank you for the gift, friends. Is it? I don't know the. Thank you for the TGIF. Is that the? Oh, you're awesome. She's fine. And my stuff. Okay, so this is 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 6 is 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 4 is 19 plus 3 is 22 plus 4 is
26.
6 plus 3 is 29. 29 divided by 9 is equal, oh my god, like how are you gonna even get that? Oh, let's make it
27.
first into a mixed number. That's 3 and 2 over 9. So, yung isa lang na may 3 dito is letter A, kaya letter A is the answer. So, if 3 yung whole number niya in the fraction, it has to be 3 din sa decimal. Kaya letter A is the answer.
Someone said, bakit ginawang mixed?
Bakit ginawang mix? Kasi decimal yung given. It's 36? Did we add wrong? 6, this is 7, 14, 20. Oh, I missed one.
Oops.
Wait. 20, 22, 26, 29, 30,
3.
36. Okay, 36. So that's 4. How did we... Whoa, the way the answer was there still is crazy. 24, 36, 4. Okay, the answer is C. That was a scam. Letter... The way I was gonna write C. Letter C is the answer. Hello guys, if you guys are new here, hello to the 1.4k people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We do math reviews. I'm gonna try science soon. I'm trying, but not yet. I haven't gotten myself, worked up towards it. But yes, for now, we're doing easy math problems. Next question. Where's the next question? The average of the ages of Danny and Jamie, it's not related? No. Oh, this one's a more interesting question. How do we turn it into mixed number? You can check my last video for that, but the way, let's just do it quickly. 29 over 9. How do we turn this into mixed number? The first thing you have to do is divide it, right? Ilang 9 ang kasya sa 29? So you think 9, 18, 27. Yung 36 hindi na kasya sa 29. So tatlo lang. So that turns into 3 yung whole number. Copy the 9 below. Tapos kung ilan yung matitira, kasi diba 9, 18, 27. So that's 29 minus 27 is 2. So the remainder goes on top. Okay? And next question. He said, wow, that's so... Next question. The average ages of Danny and Jamie is 27. If Jamie is 12 years old, then how old is Danny? So the average of Danny and Jamie is D plus J is over 2 is equal to 27. Why is it D plus J over 2? Oh, because we're getting the average. So the average of this is yung i-add mo sila and then divide by 2 kasi dalawang tao sila. And then, all we have to do, guys, is to solve for it. So, angas mo na at English pa. Why is it such a backhanded compliment? My course is Management Engineering, guys, in Ateneo. Okay, so we're gonna have to leave D and J alone. And J daw is equal to 12. So, Jamie is 12. Let's turn this into 12. Okay? D plus 12 over 2 is equal to 27. Now, the next thing we have to do is to move 2 over here to the other side, or what we call transpose. What happens to 2 pag tinranspose siya? Magiging multiply siya. So, that's D plus 12 equals 27 times 2 is 54. Okay? 27 times 2 is 54. Tapos, etong 12, dito na tayo magta-transpose ulit. Pag na-transpose siya, guys, it will become
42.
minus
Oh, sorry.
12. We have to go step by step.
No.
So, D is equal to 42. Yes, tumama din, sabi ni Mauvi. Tumama din. This is statistics or mean median mode. How do you find motivation to study? You can study with like your crush, I feel.
This is it.
Or guys, think about it. One way I do is think about the person you hate the most in your class, and then imagine if they pass and you don't.
OG.
That's so embarrassing.
OG.
Imagine if they get into UP, tas you don't. That's so embarrassing.
For me, it's like I get a crush every term, and then I'm gonna get the most unobtainable crush. So I'm stressed out about that, and to not think about it, I have to do my homework or study.
That's so bad. I would be like, she can't. Oh, she.
Oop.
Crazy. Why is it a woman? No, let's make it a man.
Who likes women here? Raise your hand.
Babae. Joke lang, guys. Joke lang. She revealed.
She revealed.
That's crazy. It's canceled.
Who likes women here, guys?
Kuya reveal. He's younger than me, guys.
I'm younger.
Okay, next question. Are we ready for the next question? Next question. That's crazy, they said. Ryder said. Ano? Wait, okay. Ang hina ng audio sa YouTube. Guys, I don't know what to do about it. Kasi yung TikTok yung nagre-record nun. So, I'm not so sure. But yes, let's try this next question. The pulse rate of students before physical education class are recorded in the table. What is the mode for the pulse rates? Again, the mode, guys, is the most or pinakamarami. So, ito yung number ng students. So, pinakamarami. So, you're just gonna base on the table. Which one has the most? Obviously, it's the one with 5. So, the answer is
69. 69.
69. Letter C. This one is letter A, and this one is letter C. Nakatama rin.
Wait, what happened?
So, we just look at it. Kasi, mode means pinakamarami. You're given all these digits, tapos you're given the number of students, kung sino yung merong pulse na yon. And dahil, ito yung pinakamaraming number of students, yun na agad yung sagot. No need to solve. Do we understand? Yes. A for amen? No, it's C for Christ. C for Christ, guys. Why are the cats? Do you guys hear the cats fighting? Okay. Next question. Next question. Are we ready? Let's get it to 100K. 100K likes, everybody. Are you gonna post this on... Yes, we're gonna post it on YouTube, everybody. Letter B. Are we on the next question? Oh my god. Frick, I forgot how to do this. Okay, I know how to do this. You're back? Yes, we're back, guys. Hello to the people. Hello to the 1.6K. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We go live mostly every night when I can, but we haven't been gone live in a while. But yes, they're cats fighting, guys. I don't know why they're fighting. Okay, so this, guys, is called 5. Like 5 over 3 and 2. So this is called the factorial.
5.
5.
5 over 3.
A factorial is basically like, pag 5 factorial siya, it's just 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Yung 3 factorial naman, so basically you're just multiplying it all the way down to 1. Tapos, ito is 2 times 1. Okay? So what are we gonna do here? Evaluate daw. So, ang una nating mapapansin, guys, etong 3 times 2 times 1, pwede siya ma-cancel here, right? Do we get that right away? You can cancel the 3 times 2 times 1 because it's the same. And then, this 2 times 1 is just 2. So, we can cancel out 4 and 2 and turn this just into 2. Right? Because you divide 4 by 2, that will give you 2.
The accent slip.
Divide. My English era accent.
No, you have to be English era
Is
because
equal.
your audience
5 times 2 is equal to 10.
says you are.
Yes. So the answer is letter B. Did we understand, guys? Did we understand? B for blessing? Yes, B for blessing.
Betlog.
I was gonna say bayag.
Before Betlog.
Before betlog.
Nakakatakot.
Among Us.
Ay,
Okay.
may hamilaw. Ay.
Next question. Before bahala na. True. Nakakatakot. Ang kulit! Not the brainer. Ang kulit!
Ang kulit.
To the Alden. Next question. Next question, everybody. Are we ready? Are we ready for the next question? Hello to the 1.8k. This is my peak so far. So if you guys are new here, make sure to follow.
You see how so many people chatted to the brain rot, but
What?
not
Yeah.
the answer. We're
Okay.
gonna pass the upcut, guys.
Next question, guys. Account numbers for Western Oil Company consists of 10 digits. 10 digits. If the first digit cannot be a 1 or 0, how many account numbers are possible? Ooh. So, the way this works, guys, it's called combination or permutation or probability. So, basically, consists of 10 digits. What you're gonna do is write down 10 blanks, right? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the next thing you're gonna do is you should know how many digits there are. So there are 0 to 9 is 10 digits, okay? 10 digits. And then, if pwede siya, for example, sabi dito, first digit cannot be 0 or 1. Ibig sabihin, 2 to 9 lang ang pwede. So, how many digits did she just do the famous Alden post? Hello, Luxie, you're back. Luxie, you're here every year. I forgot what grade you are. Okay, 2 to 9. How many digits is 2 to 9, guys? How many digits is in 2 to 9? You have to count it. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ang kulit.
9. 8 digits, guys. There are
Yes.
8 digits. So, yung first digit can only be 8. 8 lang ang pwedeng possible. So, 2 to 8, 2 to 9 lang ang pwede.
Julia
And
Core.
then, you multiply this. Not the Julia core.
Julia
That's not
core.
even my core. Okay. And then the rest, pwede na 0 to 9. So, dahil pwede ng 0 to 9, all you're gonna do is multiply everything by 10. So, lahat ng the rest of the digits can be 10. Do we understand that? We can do a smaller example after. So, multiply everything by 10. And now we just have to count. How many tens are there? There are 8 tens. So, 8 times 10 raised to 8 is just 8.
No.
Yes. There are 9.
9 tens.
How many digits? Oh, 9 tens. So, 9 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, that's 8 billion, which is letter B. Did we get letter B? Why 8? Kasi, bakit 2 to 9? Kasi sabi niya, hindi pwede ang 0 or 1. Dahil hindi pwede ang 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lang ang pwede. Kaya, 8 lang ang pwedeng digit sa unang number. Gets?
You should
Yes.
put like the word 2 here, because people like just looking at the thing might say, "Oh, what 0 minus 9 is 10?"
Okay. Digits. Okay, bawal po 10. Hindi pwede ang 10 kasi guys,
Is
Um,
that Uno?
sa number.
Someone from
Sabay-
last year.
Hello to the 1.9k. If you guys are new here, welcome to the live. This is our peak so far, so make sure to follow. We are here to teach you math very easily. I'm gonna give you guys another example. How po kapag no digits ang pwede i-repeat? Okay, so let's say we are given a vault, right? This vault has a code. This vault has a code of 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Tapos, pwede ang 0 to 9, pero bawal maulit ang digits. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, dahil 4 digits ang code, you draw out the how many lines there are. 2K? Hello to the 2K people! What a...
We're peaking.
Oh, wala na.
Ay. Hello to the 2K people. Yes.
I love them.
Yes. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Ang kulit. Okay, let's go. So, no repeating digits means that at the start, pwede 0 to 9, right? Pwede 0 to 9, which means 10 digits ang pwede. So, the first one, pwede 10 digits ang pwede. Pero dahil bawal na maulit yung digit na yon, kunyari yung code is 2, 3, 2348. 2348 is the code. Dahil tatanggalin na natin yung 2, hindi na pwede maulit yung 2. 9 digits na lang matitira. And then 8, and then 7. Kasi tatanggalin yung bawat number because no repeating digits. So, the answer is just you have to multiply this. So, ganun din siya in this case. Pero dito, hindi naman sinabi na bawal umulit. Kaya, 10, multiply by 10 lahat. Okay? 5,040. Thank you, moon emoji. Thank you, Ian, for the gift, and Ree, and Pran, and Red Tan for the gifts. You guys don't have to send gifts, just make sure to follow. Hello, Piatos. Welcome to the live. Are you studying? Where do I get these questions? They're free on the Instagram. Make sure to follow me here and on my Instagram, guys.
Someone said Mari play ba to?
Permutations, yes.
This is not pre-recorded, guys.
This is my replay, yes. May replay siya.
Oh,
It's
I thought it's
on
like Ma
YouTube.
replay ba to?
No.
Like Ma.
Oh.
Like Ma.
Yes. You're welcome, Ice, Peppa Pig. Mina, kaka-lessons lang yan ngayong SEM. That's good.
How did it become 8?
How did it become 8? Kasi sabi, 0 or 1. 0 or 1 is not allowed. So, tatanggalin na natin yung 0 and 1 sa choices. Kaya 8 na digits na lang yung matitira. Diba 10 digits siya nung una? Matatanggal na yung 8 and 1. Kaya 8
Zero.
digits na lang. Ay, yeah. 0 and 1. Pakita, bro. When we get down to 300k, that's so far away, but we're gonna get there. Next question, guys. Are we ready to move on? Say yes if we are ready to move on.
300k what?
They don't love you anymore.
What?
So we can move on, 1-1.
Oh. Don't touch my boob.
They don't see that I'm touching your boob. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna, let's make a poll, guys. Do we understand or do we want more examples for permutations?
What's your IG though? What's your IG?
My IG is here. Here's my IG, guys. Make sure to follow. You see that first circle? Oh my god, it's a first circle. That first circle is... What the frick? It's baligtad. The first circle is... The links are there, okay? Inverted nga. Why am I inverted? I don't know. Can you explain po sa code? Okay, we're gonna do the code again, but can you answer this poll, everybody? The freer viewers are on my IG. Okay, let's answer the poll. Do we want to go again? Love the accent. What is the accent I was using? Poll. Poll? Quick poll. Let me in the poll. Okay. Quick poll, everybody. Happy face if we're ready to move on. Sad face if we want to do the same question. You're given 1 minute. One, you have to get in here now because I'm gonna pee.
Get in here?
Yeah, you're gonna...
And do what?
Just stay here. Listen. Say happy face, start again, or do on the code, and then sad face, move. Wait. Happy face, move on. Sad face, ulit. Happy face, move on. Sad face, ulit. I'm gonna pee. My brother, you can ask some questions. He passed the UPCAT. So let them know about your UPCAT experience.
Hello everybody. It's me. I'm meeting you all for the first time this year. Kasi last year mas close ako sa batch nila. Kasi kaka-UPCAT ko lang noon, like 2-3 years ago. 2-3 years ago? Hello everyone. Do you guys have any questions? Let's see where the poll's at. Happy face for move on, I think. Happy face is winning right now. Ano ang YT ni ate? It's Julia Menjola. How do you know the... there's so many questions, guys. When you dropping an album? I might drop a song on Spotify when I get to 1K followers on my IG. Why B, kuya? Why B? Because bedlog. What is my haircut? My haircut is... It's just a... It's a normal haircut tapos pinahaba ko lang yung likod. What's your name? Sa mga nandito last year, I am now known as Albi. Guys, it's Albi now kasi artist name.
We're back.
We're back? Okay, bye people. What year ka na po? First year, third term, sabi niyo. Music production.
He passed UP Baguio, guys, but he didn't want to go. Get a chair.
Get a chair. No, I'm okay.
Are we done? I think the
What's
poll
my
moved
IG?
on one.
My IG now.
Wait, we're gonna send it later.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, give me your phone. Just show it here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next question,
Why not your
guys.
phone?
Find the next number of the series 27, 32, 37, 42. If you guys know about series, why B? Where are we looking?
No,
Why
no,
B?
they were asking me why B. I said B for Betlog.
Kasi 8, 9, 9 yung ano, 10 digits, diba? 10 digits. Yung unang digit yung 8, tapos 9 na 0 siya. So, 9 na 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kaya 9 na 0, kaya letter B. Do we get? Do we understand? Like, bakit A daw? Oh, A yung next question. Here's my brother's IG if you guys wanna check. You can just give the... Oh, where's the QR?
Is there a QR? Oh,
Yeah.
up here. Share.
Letter A, blur. It is blurred. I'll be thoughts. There. Okay, we're moving on to the next question, guys. We're moving on to the next question. This is my brother, yes. Hold it, the phone, one.
Hold
Find
the
the
phone.
next number of the series 27, 32, 37, and 42. All we're gonna do is find the... Okay, that's enough. Later again. Is find the common difference. So, ima-minus mo lang. 32 minus 27 is 5. 37 minus 32 is 5. 42 minus 37 is 5. So, obviously, the next one will be added by 5. So, the answer is 47. Did we get that? Very easy.
Yay.
Letter A. Very easy.
Yay.
Yay, very easy. Next question, very basic. Identify the missing terms in the following geometric sequence. Ooh. The missing term, is this a missing term or that's just negative? So 2 to negative 1, 2 to 1, that's multiply by negative
2.
1 half.
Oops. Oops.
Negative 1 half, right?
Yes.
Kasi na-divide siya, tapos nagbago yung sign. Kaya, pag minultiply mo to negative 1 half, nababago yung sign. So, if you multiply to negative 1, alternating yung sign niya as you can see. So, the next one, dahil minus to, this one will become positive, and this will be just divide 8 by 2, that's 1 over 16. Yes, everybody, that's correct. It's
B.
positive. So, letter B is the answer. 9 followers, 1K ka na, they said. Share mo ulit, bro. Share mo daw ulit. Guys, follow my brother. He's almost at 1K. Guys, i-follow nyo na bago siya sumikat. Isipin nyo, sisikat yan, guys. Like, he's doing music production. He's like friends with Kiefer Sanchez.
Using Kiefer for clout. You're
You
so
know,
mean.
you know the TNT boys? He's friends with the TNT boys. They're gonna become famous one day, and then you're gonna be here and say he was underrated. Okay? Start again. What did we do? He was underrated, guys. Underrated. How do you... My Spotify? Not yet. Okay, wait.
Not yet.
Okay. What we're gonna do, guys, ulit yung ginawa natin. Diba, paano naging 2 yung 1? Paano naging 1 yung 2? I mean, we just divided by 2. Tapos, yung sign, as you can see, the sign is negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Dahil, pag, what do you call that? Alternating siya, that means you multiply it to a negative. So, negative yung ratio niya, kaya pa bago-bago. So, negative yung ratio niya. So, alam na natin na next dito, dahil negative to, positive na yung next. And then, i-divide lang natin yung fraction. How do you divide the fraction? Ako pang 1K. Check on. Check if it's 1K.
Okay, man.
So, 1 over 8, paano siya i-divide into 2? Basically, when you divide something by 2, tapos fraction siya, i-multiply mo lang yung 2 sa ilalim. Okay? When you divide a fraction by 2, it's basically multiplying to 1 half. So, you just divide it by 2, and that's equal to 1 over 16.
Wow,
Do we get that?
Yay!
Wait, it's not yet.
Oh, no, yes.
Oh. Why is it going back?
No.
Okay. Next question. Can we go to the next question? Say yes. Comment yes for the next question. For the arithmetic progression, 741, find A of 9. So, A sub 9, guys, for this, you have to know you have to know the formula, right? So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus times, is it plus n minus 1 times d. Oh, memorize ko pa. Need nyo yun i-memorize, Medj. Pero if hindi nyo memorize, pwede nyo naman siya imano-mano. Mahirap nga lang if kunyari a sub 100 yung ibigay. What does the sub 9 mean? Ang ibig sabihin ng sub 9, guys, this is page 35, guys. If you're new here, make sure to follow. This reviewer is free. You can check it out on my IG. And then, you can just answer along with me. Is there a case na i-divide fraction by fraction? If you divide fraction by fraction, when you say like 1/4 divided by 3/2, ang ibig sabihin lang yan is you change this divide into multiply, and then babaligtarin mo yung second number. So, yung second number na to, magiging 2/3. That's how you divide a fraction by fraction. Thank you, Artemis. Okay, let's continue. So, a sub n is a sub 9 is equal to a sub 1. A sub 1 is the first digit, okay? First digit in the progression, so that's 7, plus n minus 1. Paano natin malalaman yung n? Yung n is the nth number na binigay dito. So, that's 9 minus 1 times the difference d. D is the difference, so that's 4 minus 7 is equal to negative 3. Okay? Negative 3. So, what are we gonna do? Let's just solve for that. This will become 8 times negative 3 plus 7. So, that's 7 minus 24, because negative 3 times 8 is negative 24, is equal to negative 17. Ano pala skincare? I use a lot, guys. I'll show you soon. Thank you, Artemis, for your long message. Do you share Yes, I share my reviewers, guys. But naging 4 minus 7? Kasi this D is called the difference, right? Yung common difference is kung ano yung ina-add para maging next number. So, technically, yung ina-add sa 7 para maging 4 is negative 3. Nag-a-add tayo ng negative, kaya negative yung difference niya. So, how do you get the common difference D? All you have to do is minus 1 digit to the digit beside it. 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3. 4 minus 7 is equal to negative 3. Kahit saan mo i-minus, basta magkatabi sila, yun yung lalabas. Okay? Are we ready to move on? Formula na need i-memorize. There are a lot, guys. Pero, you'll try, the way to remember kung ano yung kailangan i-memorize is, kunyari may nadaanan ka na question. For example, ito. May nakita kang question, ito kailangan nito ng formula. I-note mo na yun agad sa, get a notebook where you have to write down all your formulas. So, if I were you, write this down right now. You need to memorize this, kinda. We usually start 8 p.m., guys. Saan galing yung 9? Here, a sub 9 ang tanong. Find a sub 9. So, a sub n is the nth digit. So, yung n yung 9. Okay? Kasi hinahanap yung a sub 9. What outline to study? I'll look for an outline of all the things to study. I know somebody sent me a tracker. Check ko mamaya. Tapos, ipopost ko sa IG, guys. So, make sure to follow me on IG. I share the links of all the ACAD stuff there. Thank you. Sumakses. Oh, look, there's a gift na sumakses.
What?
That's crazy.
So weird.
Thank you, Alpha, for the sumakses gift.
That wasn't here last year, right?
Yeah, I feel like they just made it recently. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Let's go to the next question. Find the sixth term in the sequence. So again, sixth term is a sub 6. Okay? A sub 6 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Same lang dun sa last question. Ang gagawin natin is the first digit is 6. So 6 plus 6 minus 1 kasi 6 is the nth term. Tapos, what's the d, guys? Can you tell me what the d is? The d is 14 minus 10 is 4. Or 10 minus 6 is 4. Yes, it's 4. Good job, Eliza and Kay and Aya and Pingu. Okay, so that's times 4. This will be 6 plus 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 6 plus 20, which is equal to 26. So the answer is letter A. Did you guys get letter A? A for Uncle. Thank you, Josh, for the roses.
A
Joshy.
for Uncle.
A for Uncle. A for Alden Richards. That's so funny. I want to
Like
do a
this?
video like that. I don't know which one it is. I think it's like this. Thank you for the
I have
for
to
the
go
roses.
now.
Why? Okay, just come back later.
What time are you ending?
Uncle, I don't know. Before maybe like 9:50.
Oh no.
Why?
I have stuff to
I
do.
usually go live, guys. You're gonna see. Okay, just go.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye,
I'll just promote.
friends.
Guys, he's going. Say bye to Anon.
Thank you. That did.
A. Dead name. This one's letter.
Thank you for following, friends. See you on Spotify.
See you on Instagram.
See you
Guys-
on June 5 Kashmir Publishon.
Oh yeah, we'll tell them about that. Thank
June
you,
5
Joshy.
Kashmir Publishon.
Thank you, Joshy, for the 16 roses and Lydia. Guys, my brother's gonna do a gig. You can check him out if you want.
Yes.
What time po end ng live? Maybe before 10 ang end ng live. Okay, next question,
Bye.
guys. Bye. I'll see you again. A radio station. We're moving on to data interpretation. A radio station asks listeners to vote for their favorite type of music. They display their results using a double bar graph shown below. Which music is the most popular with women? Guys, ito yung question last time. I think we need to know what a double bar graph is. Oh, ayun na pala, may men and women. So, men and women. So, we need to know which is the most popular with women. Women daw, so we're looking at the green side, right? We're looking at the green. And the biggest in green is oldies. So the answer is letter D. Very easy, guys. Data. This is the easiest part of math. Am I right? Like the thing about math, the only time you rest is pag may chart na. All you have to do at the chart is look at it, right? Mas naintindihan ko po magturo kasi teacher ko. Thank you, Aya. Where do you share your viewers? I share it on Instagram, guys. I'll show you my Instagram. Here is my Instagram. I share it. Check the highlight. You know highlights, the circle over there. But baliktad ako, guys. Usually, it should be like here. But I don't know, it's over here. So, yeah. My answers po ba yung reviewers? Some of them have. Etong gamit natin, meron siya. Etong, yung iba wala. So, depende siya. Pero, the first thing, if you wanna start reviewing pa lang, check out the PTS reviewers, which is in the first story. Yes. When ka mag-upload ng YouTube, I'll upload this right away. I'll try to upload it right away later. Yes, guys, it's uploaded. So if you have a hard time understanding, you can rewatch the videos. Okay, next question. 10th grade students were surveyed to determine how many hours per day they spent on various activities. The results are shown in the circle graph below. About how much time altogether was spent on sleeping and watching TV. So sleeping is this one, and watching TV is this one. So all you have to do is add it. That's 33. Oh, 33 plus 13%. That will give you 46%. Tapos, what's the question? How many hours per day they spent on various activities? So, how many hours in a day do we have? Is the screen blurry, guys, for you? Yes, it's 24 hours. So, that's 46%. So, 24 times 0.46%. But, guys, that's kind of hard to answer, right? So, what I would do, hindi mo kailangan kunin. Kasi sabi naman is approximately, where does it say it? About how much time yung tanong. So, 46% is less than 50%, right? 46 is less than 50%. And 50% of the day is 12. So, what's less than 12 pero malapit sa 12? The answer is letter A. Do we understand why? The answer is letter A. Shout out po. Letter A kasi para hindi na natin isolve, approximate na lang tayo. 50% of 24 is 12 hours. Less than 12 hours. So, less than 12 hours is 11 hours. So, 11 hours is the closest thing to 12. Kaya, letter A ang sagot. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We try to find shortcuts to problems. Shout out. Ano po choices sa course na UP? My first choice was industrial engineering. Kagaling. Thank you, guys. Next question, next question. Are we ready to move on? Yes, next question. Guys, wait. Can you when you leave, can you like my TikTok just in case? Okay. Like I posted a TikTok today. Also, guys, if you're new here, we give out free reviewers. So, check nyo lang yung Instagram ko for the free reviewers. Please follow my Instagram. I also have a channel. I have a channel now. Go on my Instagram. That's when I give the announcements of when I go live. Okay? I announce sa Instagram when I go live or check my TikTok bulletin if meron kayong TikTok bulletin. Hello, She. How are you? See? She. Okay. Next question, guys. The graph below represents the annual rainfall in inches for 2005 to 2010. How much did it rain in 2006? So 2006 is over here. It rained over here, so 10 inches. So basic. Hello, Jacob. It's Jacob. I knew it was you, Jacob. What's your Insta account? My Insta is here. Wait. I studied high school in City of Mandaluyong Science High School. Here is my Instagram. So, I have a broadcast channel. Broadcast channel? Yun ba tawag dun? Basta, yes, I announce there when I go live. So, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go live tomorrow. But usually, I decide within the day naman. So, yes, you can join the bulletin sa IG or you can join the bulletin sa TikTok. So, I have it on TikTok or IG. I applied for UP Diliman, but I didn't go to, I passed UPD. I didn't choose to go there. I chose to go to Ateneo. Thank you. Here's my IG pinned. Okay, so the answer is letter A. It's so basic, guys. Can we speed run the graphs? Graphs are so easy, am I right? But yes, let's move on. According to the circle graph, which is the largest source of air pollution? 40%. So 40% is the largest. So the answer is buses and trucks. So letter C. You just have to look at the biggest. Ganyan ba kadali? May mga questions na ganyan kadali kasi lalo na sa graph interpretation, meron din na mahirap. So it depends lang talaga sa UP. Oh, do we want to do this or no? I think we can skip the data interpretation exercises. They're kind of easy, guys. Or do you want to do this pa? Yung asking lang here is, who was the employee who planted the most? Oh, wala namang question. Oh. Wait, no na daw, no na daw. Okay, wow. You guys are so good. Let's go on to... We're on to algebra, guys. Should we end the live? We're done na with simple math or basic math. So, tapos na tayo sa first part ng book. The first part of the book was called, what's the name? Was called Algebra of Numbers and Integers. So, tapos na natin, guys, tapos na tayo dito sa una. Can we check it off? If you want to get this reviewer, it's for free on my IG. Just make sure to follow me here. Please follow me on IG, guys. It really helps me continue doing these lives when you follow me. So, tapos na tayo sa Algebra of Numbers. We're done with real number, this and this. We're done with this, this, and this. So, we're now moving on to... Oh, we're done with all of this. We're already here sa algebra, sa next part. So, we're done with this first part. We're moving on to algebra. But yes, I think because it's a whole different topic, I think I would like to start it next. I'm gonna try to go live tomorrow, guys, okay? Let's try to do it tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Because, iba na yung topic niya. So, just so, consistent yung live natin. Kasi baka hanapin nila yung start. Science next, guys. I'm scared. Kasi, yung science, na-memorize ko siya. Kasi yung science, guys, puro memorize talaga siya. You can't solve it and you can't teach it from scratch sa brain unless memorize mo talaga yung mga terms na yun. So, that's the hard part about science. But I'm gonna work my way up there, okay? I'm also gonna try to post lectures, so please subscribe on YouTube. But, for now, I'll post the lecture video. Make sure to follow. Come back tomorrow. What time live tomorrow? You're new? Usually, I go live 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Or basta 8 p.m. lagi ang start. So, yes. Usually 8 p.m. Guys, go to my Instagram. I have a channel. How do I open the channel? Merong akong channel. So, you can check out how do I check the channel? I don't know how to check the channel right now. But, I have a channel over here. You guys can check it out. Tapos, I do Upcat review, ano here. Ayan. Oh no! Guys, somebody keeps reporting me. Okay, anyway, the live is gonna end because, YouTube, I was, it says restricted meaning live. Okay, so we're ending the live soon, guys. Thank you for being here. Make sure to follow me, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Thank you for being here today, guys. We hit 1.9, 2K. We hit 2K, so that's a lot. So, I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you for being here. Bye, Jacob. If Nico's there, bye, Nico. Bye, Bushi. Bye. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Bye, Ron. Bye, Thea. When did I start? You can check out my past review sessions. 5 pa lang sila, so mahabol mo pa yan. Also, check out the reviewer. It's free on my Instagram, okay? Follow me on Instagram, guys. That's all. See, the viewers are going down so quickly. Bye, guys. We got restricted. I think I can't show Instagram anymore and TikTok. So, yeah. I'll try to put a text na lang next time. Bye, guys. Thank you for today. Why are you calling me mom? That's so crazy. Bye, Austin. Bye, Bushy. YouTube name is Julia Menjola. The names are on my TikTok bio naman. So, just check my TikTok bio. Bye, guys. I love you. Yes, my answer key. Bye.